So guys, hello. You see, my computer screen is very nice and it's fantastic and very colorful. I like the design. So right here you see how fantastic I like the design. So I will not have more talk. Just starting exactly this logo design I will make right now. Just stay with me. So thanks for watching. Please stay with me and I'm starting from the beginning. So dear friends, I need a little bit smaller this one, and I need to keep this counter side. Yes, you see, just to follow this I needed to keep here. So I need to first this press by pressing a little bit, and which tool I need to select. Yes, do you have any idea about it? I guess just the lips tool. Yes, I press here, click here, and how I now put it in the center. You see there, guys, how I put it here to the middle side. Just I'm starting. You see a little bit. Yes, right here a little bit. Yeah, I think this is great. So right here I need to stock is a black. I need to keep this a black color. That will be more better. So fill color is okay. So nice. So what should I do? I need to now copy this one by pressing Alt and adjust this like that. Exactly. I should think, or I should need or keep the idea about it. This cape I need a little bit like that, not a distance much, exactly like that. So this is a real concept about this logo design. So I need to know keep this one like that. Okay, what should I do? I need to know the rectangle tool. I think yes, you see how magically done it is one. So I select and I start from here. I think it will be more better. So I already done. So what should I do? I need to now to this like that here and need to keep here exactly this way. So and at this side left side I needed to keep here. Yes, exactly. Done. Almost done. So what should I do? I need to now you see friend how I do this one. I need to select this one like that and I need to click this which one direct selection tool. Yes, select. What should I do? I need to now just this like that here. Yes, done. Almost done, friend. So what should I do? I need to buy here and now just I need to select like that this one and I need which tool? I need now this rotate tool. You see how it's magically done. So I need to center and by pressing Alt then center. Yes, how should I do this one? Just 60%. 60%, then copy. Yes, it is done magically. So no need to work hard, but you see how it's doing magically. So again, I select this one. I go to the Ready tool, and this one, and again like that, and it press over, and it just like yes, copy. Yes, it is done. Now what should I do? I need to select this one and I need to again rotate. Just I need the guys no need to now press to the altar, but you just click the center and you see how it's magically done. So right here you should do this one. You see, like exactly it's doing like that. So what should I do? I need it back here. So I need to select all the things, and what should I do? I need to now go to the shape builder tool. Yes, shape builder tool, and go to the color. So I need to select this for the color. So what should I do? I need to know this like that. Okay, right here. You see? Yes. Doing like that again here. Yes, yes. Almost done. So what should I do? I need to now cut this all the things. I need unnecessary things cut. Oh, it's not cutting. Okay, it will finish. No, don't worry. It will be cut. It will be cut. Don't worry. Okay, right now it's not possible. I will do it again the last. So what should I do? I need to now change the color. Which one? I needed this one like that. Yes, 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 like that. I need to cut the things. Not cutting. Okay, I need to clear unnecessary things. Okay, it's done. Almost done. Like that. Yes, it's the finish. No, yeah, this finish. It's not cutting. Okay, it will be finished. No problem. Just don't worry. And I need to now change another color here. I need this color. Yes, I need this color. Yes, almost done. The guys, almost done. Now just I need something. I need it like that to cut these things. I should cut all the things. It will be more better. Otherwise, it's oh sorry. Yes, I needed to select this one. Otherwise, it will be max the problem. So I need now here. I need cut the things. This is all the things I need to cut or delete or minus all the things. It will be more better. So right here, let it cut all the things. Okay, dear friends. So start here. You see, right exactly like that. But what should I need? I need now just okay. I try it better. Okay, I need better option. Yes, I need it this like that. No, this yes. I try a little bit. Recording a little bit is looking bad actually. Okay, I try this. How should I cut this one? Okay, I'm trying. Dear guys, if you any idea, please let me know. Let me know. I will trying. Just I will trying. I am trying just. Oh, sorry, it's happening like that. Okay, okay, I cannot do this. Maybe something wrong. Okay, so what should I do? I need maybe something wrong. Okay, so again back to my position. So exactly I'm doing like that. So what should I do? I need a now color. I need a now color. How should I color change? Like that. Exactly like that. So the guys just wait here. I'm doing like that. So what should I need now? Right here. Okay. So I'm changing color. Just you see the guys how I do this like that. Okay, so right here you see it's automatically done at this one. So I think it will be more better if possible is a little bit here. Yeah, a little bit like that. Yes, it more better. So right here you see this doing much better, I think. Yeah, it little bit. Yes, it will be much better. So what should I do? I need to know here. No. Okay, that's fine. No problem. Is this magic? This is a magic. So what should I do? I need to know just to what I need here. Yes, it is. I think. I think it's done. Like that. Okay, so I need from here like that. No, no, like that. I think it will be more better. No, it previous it was good. Okay, that's fine. This is fine, no problem. So what should I do? I need to know this keep here. I need now the picker. Okay, you see, I'm doing good. Actually, I'm doing good. So what should I do? I need to now from here start from here. Yes, I think it will be more better. So it will be more better, I think. Yes, you see guys, yes, exactly like that. So again I needed to keep here. Yes, I needed now and drop a tool and keep here and keep here. You see right here, just yes, exactly, friend. Don't difference between about this one. You see exactly like that. Fantastic. This is very fantastic job. Very good. I'm not wasting time for much more. So guys, if you think it professionally, then you just cut and clear this. Thanks for watching. Thank you.